Planning to buy a Chevrolet Silverado? Hold on, because choosing the wrong model year could cost you thousands of dollars in engine and transmission repairs. Your best bets are the 2012, 2018, and 2021 models, and later, which are known for their solid reliability and strong performance. However, you'll want to avoid the 2014, 2017, and 2019 models, which have a history of costly mechanical problems. Stay tuned as we reveal which Silverado years are worth buying and which ones you should stay away from. The 2012 Chevrolet Silverado is widely considered one of the best model years you can buy, and for good reason. As the final production year before a complete redesign, Chevrolet had years to refine the truck, eliminating many of the problems that affected earlier models. The result is a pickup that has earned a reputation for exceptional reliability, durability, and long-term value. Under the hood, the 2012 Silverado offers a lineup of proven V6 and V8 engines that have stood the test of time. Whether you choose the dependable 4.8-liter V8, the powerful 5.3-liter V8, or the capable 6.2-liter option, you're getting a powertrain known for strong performance and impressive longevity when properly maintained. Owners consistently praise these engines for their smooth operation, towing capability, and ability to rack up hundreds of thousands of miles. Another major advantage is the significantly lower number of engine and transmission complaints compared to many other Silverado model years. By 2012, Chevrolet had already addressed many of the mechanical issues found in earlier versions, making this truck one of the safest bets on the used market. If you're looking for a full-size pickup that delivers dependable performance, affordable maintenance, and proven reliability, the 2012 Chevrolet Silverado deserves to be at the top of your list. It's a truck built to work hard, last for years, and give owners the confidence that they've made a smart investment. When it comes to the best Chevrolet Silverado model years, the 2018 Silverado stands out as one of the smartest choices you can make. Why? Because it's the final and most refined model of the popular K2XX generation, benefiting from years of engineering improvements and real-world feedback. When the K2XX Silverado first launched, some owners experienced early quality control issues, including transmission concerns and minor reliability problems. But by 2018, Chevrolet had addressed many of those weaknesses, creating a truck that feels far more dependable and polished than its predecessors. The 2018 Silverado offers a range of powerful and proven engines, including the reliable 5.3-liter Ecotec 3V8 and the impressive 6.2-liter V8, both known for delivering strong towing performance, smooth acceleration, and long-term durability. Whether you're hauling heavy loads, commuting every day, or heading off-road on the weekend, this truck is built to handle the job with confidence. Inside, the cabin is comfortable, practical, and packed with modern technology for its time. With available features like Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, advanced safety options, and a quiet ride, the 2018 Silverado provides an excellent balance between capability and everyday comfort. If you're shopping for a used full-size pickup, the 2018 Chevrolet Silverado is one of the safest bets on the market. It combines proven reliability, refined engineering, and strong resale value, making it a truck that's ready to serve you for many years to come. The 2021 and newer models should be at the top of your list. After the initial redesign, Chevrolet spent the first few years refining the truck, and by 2021, many of the initial issues had been addressed. The result is a more reliable, better performing, and more refined pickup truck built to meet the demands of today's drivers. One of the biggest improvements is the introduction of an upgraded 10-speed automatic transmission on more models. This transmission delivers quicker and smoother shifts, better towing performance, and better fuel efficiency than the previous version. Whether hauling heavy equipment, towing a trailer, or simply cruising on the highway, the driving experience feels more responsive and refined. Another key advantage of the 2021 and newer Silverado is its more robust technology package. Early redesigned models occasionally experienced infotainment glitches and software-related issues, but Chevrolet made significant updates to improve system reliability. Features like Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, advanced driver assistance systems, and a larger touchscreen operate more smoothly, providing a more enjoyable and reliable driving experience. Beyond technology, these trucks continue to offer an impressive selection of engines, including the proven 5.3-liter V8, the powerful 6.2-liter V8, and the highly efficient 3.0-liter Duramax turbo diesel, giving buyers the flexibility to choose the perfect balance of power, towing capability, and fuel efficiency. If you want a Silverado that combines modern features, advanced engineering, strong performance, and proven reliability, the 2021 and newer Chevrolet Silverado is one of the smartest investments you can make. This is a truck that's ready for work, adventure, and many reliable miles to come. If you're shopping for a used Chevrolet Silverado, the 2014 model year is one you should think twice about. Although it introduced a bold new design and updated features, it quickly earned a reputation as one of the least reliable Silverados ever built. As the first model year of a new generation, the 2014 Silverado was affected by numerous early production issues. it was hit with more than 20 recalls, raising concerns about quality control and long-term dependability. Many owners also reported air conditioning condenser failures, often leading to expensive repairs even on relatively low-mileage trucks. The problems didn't stop there. One of the biggest complaints involved the automatic transmission, with drivers experiencing harsh shifting, hesitation, vibration, and in some cases, complete transmission failure far earlier than expected. These repairs can be extremely costly and frustrating for owners. While the truck still offers strong towing capability and a comfortable ride, the high number of recalls and mechanical issues make it a risky purchase compared to later Silverado models that received important improvements. And if reliability is your top priority, it's best to skip the 2014 Chevrolet Silverado and choose a newer model year with a proven track record. Spending a little more upfront could save you thousands in unexpected repair bills down the road. If you're considering buying a 2017 Chevrolet Silverado, you might want to be cautious. While it looks modern, offers strong towing capabilities, and features a comfortable interior, this model year has developed a reputation as one to avoid due to several costly mechanical issues. One of the biggest concerns is transmission vibration. Many owners report vibrations, rough shifting, and hesitation during acceleration, making the truck feel unstable on the road. In many cases, fixing these issues requires expensive transmission repairs or even a complete replacement. Another major issue involves the engine's valve lifters, especially on V8 models equipped with active fuel management. Damaged valve lifters can produce a ticking noise, engine stuttering, loss of power, and, if left unrepaired, serious internal engine damage. These repairs can quickly turn an affordable used truck into a very expensive purchase. Because of these recurring problems, many automotive experts have labeled the 2017 Silverado as an old car beware model year. While some trucks have performed well with proper maintenance, the risk of major repair costs is much higher compared to more reliable Silverados of previous years. If you're looking for a reliable full-size pickup truck, you're better off choosing a model like the 2018 or 2021 Silverado and newer, which offers better reliability and a much more robust ownership experience. At first glance, the 2019 Chevrolet Silverado looks like a great choice. It introduced a bold new design, updated technology, and improved performance. But beneath the modern styling lies a model year that many used truck buyers should approach with caution. As the first year of a major redesign, the 2019 Silverado experienced several early production issues that affected its long-term reliability. One of the most serious concerns involves the dynamic fuel management, or DFM system. While designed to improve fuel economy, some owners reported premature engine lifter failures, leading to ticking noises, rough engine operation, misfires, and in severe cases, expensive internal engine repairs. Another common issue was related to the driveshaft. Chevrolet issued recalls to address driveshaft problems that could affect vehicle performance and safety. Although recalls help correct these defects, they also highlight the challenges that often come with buying the very first model year of a new generation. That's a wrap on our guide to the best Chevrolet Silverado models to buy and the years you should avoid. The right Silverado can deliver years of dependable performance, but choosing the wrong one could lead to expensive repairs you never saw coming. If this guide helped you make a smarter buying decision, smash that like button, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell for more expert truck reviews, buying tips, and reliability guides. Thanks for watching, and remember, buy smart, drive with confidence, and we'll see you in the next video.